In physics, A is for acceleration. In chemistry, it refers to atomic mass. In marketing, classification. In education, the highest grade. In mathematics, the hypotenuse. In medicine, a blood type. For everyone, A is knowledge. It was the quest for knowledge and the awareness of its strength that gave origin to Grupo A. This story begins in 1973 when the Artmed Publishing Company was born. Initially dedicated to the commercialization of books in the medical area. In '79, Artmed begins to publish its own titles and soon ventured into new fields of knowledge such as mental health and education. In '97, a decisive step was taken towards the consolidation of its leadership in the scientific, technical, and medical market in the country with the launching of the Bookman imprint. With the beginning of the year 2000, Artmed started taking the path of intensive investment in the qualification of management and corporate governance, a phase of great triumphs that resulted in the entry of BNDES Par and the CRP and the board of shareholders of the company, the incorporation of Editora Artes Medicas, and the celebration of the partnership with McGraw-Hill Education, one of the three major publishing groups of the world. As a result of that evolution, as from 2010, Artmed has become Grupo A, a change which has occurred due to the new entrepreneurial level achieved and the need to consolidate the operation of the several publishing companies of its portfolio. Grupo A was born to be the best publishing and business platform for national authors, international publishers, and scientific institutions. With its headquarters in the city of Porto Alegre, Grupo A counts with agile and efficient distribution in the entire national territory and Portugal. This process is made viable through a broad network of offices, sales reps, and local promotional teams. And the contents are developed by a publishing production team focused on quality and in continuous improvement of the internal processes and of the suppliers. Grupo A is a Brazilian company that encourages and gives full support to the development of the national publishing industry, offering tools that give clear guidance for the production of original material and text correction, and that manages large collective publishing projects. A strong network of partners is of the essence. Grupo A is proud to be the publisher of the most important national and international authors and for having an excellent relationship with Brazilian scientific institutions and with the main international publishing groups. Our publishing background is focused on three large areas of knowledge: the biosciences, the hard social and applied sciences, and the human sciences. The portfolio of Grupo A is among the largest in Brazil in the biosciences. In medicine, Grupo A publishes national references in different medical specialties. In biological science, Artmed is the most national publisher, having in its catalog the main world references in several areas of this segment. And the partnership with McGraw-Hill has brought classical titles such as the Harrison, the main textbook in internal medicine in the world, Goodman, an essential reference in pharmacology, and the entire Current series in the several medical specialties. The incorporation of Editora Artes Medicas expanded the dentistry catalog and made way for the internationalization of Grupo A, with the publication of editions in its main titles in Spanish and in English. And the bioscience catalog also publishes other specialties such as nursing, pharmacy, health management, and physiotherapy. Grupo A also publishes BMJ Brazil, the national version of the famous British Medical Journal, one of the most renowned medical publications in the world, published since 1840. Grupo A acquired solid recognition in the areas of hard, social, and applied sciences through its publications of the Bookman imprint. Bookman has been pioneer in areas that were still unexplored and in emerging fields in the Brazilian publishing market, and counts with great partnerships, mainly in the areas of management, computer science, and visual communications. With the entry of the McGraw-Hill catalog, Grupo A started counting with the strongest and most complete portfolio of titles in engineering, economics, management, and computer science. In the human sciences, Artmed is considered the most important publisher in the country in education and in psychology, having published the main thinkers in these fields. The McGraw-Hill catalog complemented the portfolio with world-famous titles in psychology, sociology, and research methods, areas in which the group's library gathers all the great authors of international recognition, another investment in national scientific development. With excellence in translations and graphic design, the titles in philosophy and in sociology of Grupo A have been well received in the professional and academic communities. To increase even more the dedication to the human sciences segment, Editora Penso was created. The Penso imprint will gradually replace and broaden Artmed's work in this axis, including new fields such as history and communication. Committed to qualifying education in Brazil, Grupo A also publishes journals concerned with the formation and permanent updating of the teachers. The Pátio periodicals, which are also distributed by the Brazilian Ministry of Culture and Education to the public school network in the entire country. For Grupo A, there are no barriers in the diffusion of knowledge. Relevant contents are made available wherever, whenever, and however the readers need it. Books in print form are complemented with online contents, and students can expand and test their knowledge by way of multimedia tools. Teachers, for their turn, have access to material that qualify their classes and assist in organizing their evaluation work. Grupo A also makes available the acquisition of fraction contents, creating customized material according to the interests of the reader or as indicated by the teacher. Contents, team, partners, technology, structure, experience. Grupo A has everything that a great publishing company needs to be successful, and more than that, to make a difference to the reader, to the teacher, and to the entire society. Grupo A. Knowledge that transforms.